Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals, coming to you live from the back of the car, guys. Great time to be live, and I'm not freaking driving, guys. And we're going to be talking about, it looks like we have some huge news, huge recovery coming. I'm going to tell you why we're going to see a quick recovery after we had the conflict out there. So let's jump into the content without any further delay, guys. Great time to be live. Go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it. So what are we seeing right now? If we take a look at the pre-markets right now, let me give this a minute to refresh. What's going on with the pre-markets? And we're seeing right now that the pre-markets out there are looking pretty good. Looks like Apple CEO Tim Cook visits Vietnam, one of the iPhone giant's most important manufacturing hubs. So that's interesting. It looks like the Cookie Monsters in Vietnam. So that is pretty good. And we're seeing that the Israel-Iran conflict is almost over. We're seeing right now that in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is showing huge signs of recovery. So a huge freaking recovery is happening. We're seeing that Bitcoin is up right now 4.32%. We're seeing Ethereum is up 7.5%. We're seeing BNB is up 5%, Solana is up almost 10%, and XRP is up as well. Toncoin is up, as well as Dogecoin is up as well. So far we're seeing the Dogecoin is up 2% on the last 30 days. Look at Toncoin up almost 100%, 150% in the last 30 days. So overall, we're seeing that most of the gains in the last 7 days has been given back out there because of this huge debacle that's been happening. So, but I'm not too worried about it. If you take a look at the heat map right now, we're seeing that the heat map is looking pretty good on the daily. So we're seeing a nice huge recovery. Crypto bubbles are also looking pretty good as well. We're seeing Dogecoin is up right now 6.6% and slightly up on the month, guys. So overall, we're seeing that everything is green. We're seeing a nice recovery, and yeah, you guys should be pretty happy, pretty chuffed about that. We're seeing that right now the Bitcoin dominance is also up at 54%, so that is pretty good. It's climbing, and as well as Ethereum. So overall, things are looking good. We're seeing the meme coin capitalized market cap is also up right now. That is fantastic. That is good. We're seeing the Dogecoin still #1 out there. Right now, if we take a look at the Dogecoin price, we're seeing the Dogecoin right now is up 6.29%, trading at 16.56%. So oh yeah, looking pretty good. So the big news, one of the big catalysts that is really helping us drive the recovery is that just in Hong Kong approved spot Bitcoin ETFs and ETF application for Ethereum as well. So this is pretty good. It's going to allow more liquidity to come into the market, and that is going to be huge. It's going to be fantastic out there. We're still seeing that we are seeing that in the last 24 hours, we're still seeing a lot of liquidations out there, and I'm sure that the market makers had a good old time taking almost $1 billion worth of liquidity out of the market. We're seeing that Bitcoin quarterly returns now at 7%. And Ethereum also minus 10%. So it is what it is. If you take a look at what's going on with Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is still trading in my pattern. We're still seeing some support on the yellow line, and we're seeing some downside resistance at the green line. Big resistance right now is sitting at $69,000, and we will get up there. I think that I'm not having a problem. I think that crypto is going to recover. Everything's going to be just fine and dandy. We're seeing Ethereum as well, looking pretty good out there, but Ethereum is coming back a lot stronger than Bitcoin, so that is pretty good. On the monthly chart, you can see that Bitcoin now had a little bit pause, and it always has a pause at the last cycle top. We did see that. This happens every time each year. So every time that the Bitcoin hits the previous cycle top, we always have a pause, and we did have this pause differentiate the first part of the uptrend, which moves in normal uptrend, and the second part of the uptrend, which moves in a strong uptrend. So we're right here now. Soon we're going to hit the strong uptrend for Bitcoin, and it's going to send things higher and higher. Other good news, looks like German federal bank with 350 billion in assets under management will start offering crypto custodial services. So this is pretty good, seeing that most banks are warming up. We're still seeing that even though we had this downside for Bitcoin, we're still seeing a bullish pennant for Bitcoin, which means that everything is intact and Bitcoin is going to go higher and higher. We're about 14 hours from the next halving. So that is great, guys. Absolutely great. Looks like also bad news for Tesla. Tesla looks like they're going to be laying off 15,000 jobs. Wow, according to internal leaked memo. What is going on out there? 5 days to the halving. It's getting nearer and nearer. Let's take a look at Dogecoin right now. So Dogecoin is looking pretty good. If this continues, it's following my pattern exactly as I predicted. We're probably going to hit the top here at 17, probably go back down to 1647, then go back up to 1747, go back down again to 1717, and then we're probably going to break out the upside. So that is looking very fantastic out there. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu right now. 59% of all the Shiba Weebies are in the money, 37% are out. And if we contrast to where Dogecoin is right now, we can see that Dogecoin, in terms of who's in the money, who's out of the money, we're seeing that 85% of the Dogers are in the money. So that is good if you're a Dogecoin holder. We're seeing right now a quick recovery for the Shiba Inu. It's at 23.55. I think we're just going to follow this trend line. Tomorrow, hopefully, we should get higher and higher. It's going to be a slow upward trend, but it's going to happen, guys. The future is Dogecoin. You know it, I know it, guys. And Dogecoin one way, and that's up for the Doge. So I think that, you know, after this whole conflict stuff, I think that we're going to continue to go up. I'd like to see Dogecoin hit 20 cents before the halving, guys. Doge believer, mental gymnastics. I like memes. Doge is going to the moon. And then the Doge denier, mental gymnastics. Doge's joke, the market cap. There is no real utility for Doge. Doge supply is too large. Elon supports it, blah, blah, blah. Guys, yeah, don't be a Debbie Downer when it comes to Doge. Doge is going to the moon, guys. Which coin would you prefer? Dogecoin or Shiba Inu? Comment, guys. Love to get your comment out there. And remember, if you got your crypto on a centralized exchange, get it the freak off there and get a NANO Leger out there. The link is down there. Remember, no, this is financial advice. And I've got my Dogecoin Tip Jar. Go and check that out, guys. Let's take a listen to this, guys. This is kind of what I said earlier. I still think it
exposure right now is respecting this channel. I did say that we're probably going to go up, go down. We are past the right now. Let's see, where are we on? We're past the 45-day EMA ribbon. Let's just take that off. So that's pretty good. We're still outside the Bollinger Band, so that squeeze is not on. I predict that Dogecoin is probably just going to take this, probably going to go up, form a local high here, go to 17, probably will drop back down to 16, form another higher high at 1767, go down to 1700, and then hopefully finally we'll break past the 18-cent level. So I'm thinking that around about May, end of April, we should get ourselves back above 20 cents. That's what I'm thinking. 20 cents by the end of April. So that's pretty good. I did buy some Dogecoin yesterday.
So that's kind of my analysis where I think Doge is going. What do you guys think? Comment, share, and show some love there, guys. Don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. And right now I'm on my ride home, and you guys can join me and take a look at where I am going. And this is where I am, guys, right here on my ride home. This is the OG drive time update. It's a great time to be live, and we're seeing that, yeah, this is my daily view out there. There we are. I'm on the road right there. Look at that. So yeah, getting close. So it's a great time to be alive. I love it. You love it. Let's freaking get it right now. I'll see you in the freaking next one, guys. It's a great time to be alive, and yeah, don't sleep on the Doge. Don't sleep on anything, guys. It's a great freaking time to be alive. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Peace out.